What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on JASMY because on a daily time frame we had here perfect breakout and then a support confirmation, and after a support confirmation there was a pump around like 33%. And in this video I will show you another potential trading setups that I'm right now watching on this coin, because in the long time perspective this coin is still really undervalued. So if you are interested about the next potential trades, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on a daily time frame. If we take a look on this chart, you can see that right now we are in the area where historically we don't have that much liquidity. And the next important resistance is this previous high, so let's say area between level 0.0495 and 0.0461. So from this point, it should be an opportunity for a pump around like 50 to 61%, something like that. The main problem with this scenario is that right now there is, let's say, not a good area where you can put your stop loss, because the first important support right now is this bullish order block, because we already confirmed here support, so this, let's say, potential retest is not valid anymore. But if there will be a drop to this bullish order block, which is between level 0.01698 and 0.01604, then this is a first really good opportunity, in my opinion, to open here a long trade. The exact trade can then look, for example, like this. So stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So if the market will do, for example, something like this and then a support confirmation above this order block, then you can place a stop loss just under that, and your last take profit targets you can place either under this current high, or if you want to speculate to really big risk reward ratio, you can place it under this previous highs, which will give you potential risk to reward like 15.84. Your potential stop loss is like 10.5%, and your, let's say, last take profit target is 167% in profit. Definitely in this case, because we are aiming for such a high risk reward ratio on a daily time frame, it is really important to take multiple take profit targets. So let's say take like 7, maybe 8 take profit targets, because yeah, we are aiming for 167%, and it will probably take at least a couple of weeks to reach the last all-time high. And of course there is absolutely zero guarantee that we are actually gonna reach this last take profit target. But if we are gonna test this area, then from a probability and risk reward ratio perspective, this is, in my opinion, really good potential long entry. Let's now switch to a 4-hour chart. The main area that I'm watching on this time frame is this bearish order block, which is between level 0.04757 and 0.04374. If we are gonna get to this area, so it needs to be a pump around like another 44%, which I think is definitely possible, then this can be our next interesting area where we can open some trading positions. So if there will be a resistance confirmation, then this can actually be a perfect short opportunity. Again, I want to see here first of all fake out above this area and then a resistance confirmation in this bearish order block. So let's say the entry will be somewhere in the bearish order block, and the stop loss you need to place above the high that we will create during the fake out. And your last take profit target you can actually place like somewhere to this area, yeah, above this order block. This can be your last take profit target. So this potential trade can give you risk reward ratio like 8.1. Also on the other hand, again, it's really important to take multiple take profit targets, and if there won't be that fake out with resistance confirmation, but on the other hand there will be a breakout and then support confirmation, this can be another, let's say, interesting long opportunity, because we can place the stop loss just under this area. So the potential stop loss is like 8.5%, something like that. And then your last take profit targets, well, for this I need to switch on a daily time frame. You can place like under this previous highs, something like that, which will give you potential risk to reward like 9.08, something like that, which is, in my opinion, again, really good. And even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is still gonna be great. So yeah, this is another potential trade that you can take here, and this time it is on the 4-hour chart. Maybe you are thinking, if right now I'm watching here some interesting trading scenarios. Well, the, let's say, closest opportunity is, in my opinion, on the 1 hour chart, where we have this bullish order block, which is between level 0.0249 and 0.02431. So if there will be again breakdown fake outs, maybe a retest of this previous resistance and then a support confirmation, this can actually be another, let's say, interesting opportunity for a long trade. Again, stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, and your last take profit target probably placed like under this previous high, something like that. So yeah, I think this is the closest potential entry that I'm watching on this coin. The reason why I don't want to open a long position right now is simply not good risk reward ratio, because right now, even if I will place the potential stop loss like under this previous lows or like under this previous resistance, the stop loss then is like 22%. So to have at least, let's say, one risk reward ratio, I need to place it like somewhere to these areas. And in my opinion, like with a risk reward ratio 1, there is not that, let's say, high probability that we are gonna reach this area before we reach, for example, the retest of this order block and this previous resistance. So yeah, that's the main reason. But I think that in the long time perspective, as I told you on that higher time frame, I think that right now we are in the area where historically we don't have that much liquidity, and there is definitely an opportunity for another big pump, because from the current all-time high we are still down around like 91%, and if I am counting, for example, this previous candles, we are still down around like 82%. So yeah, there is definitely a room for growth, but as always we need to, let's say, wait for a certain conditions to be met, and if the conditions for opening the trading positions are not met, then we simply want to move to another altcoin, because yeah, we have many crypto opportunities in this market every single day. But if you, for example, want to know about all the altcoins that I'm currently watching, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing those analysis every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But yeah, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.